Let's see if it works. It's rolling! Hello! Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about crochet rose patterns. Now this one still needs a little bit of work. I'm making a bouquet of roses for my little niece. She specifically asked for those. And so I am crocheting a lot of roses. Let's get inspired with some other possible crochet patterns, and of course including this one. It really does need a little bit of finishing. I'm for big crochet. Back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going to talk about roses. And there are a couple of unusual specimens in there, so please pay attention as we go and look at these gorgeous patterns. Let's start traditional. Very cute, sweet roses, not very difficult to crochet, and they bring joy to everyone. You can use them to wrap gifts or as just a decoration. You could put them on a hairband or a hat or a bag. These are more sort of long stem traditional roses. These are quite extensive in labor, as in crochet labor, because I think, and I'm not sure, please let me know if it's true, you have to probably make all these leaves separately and then sort of crochet them together or knit them together or sew them together to create one absolutely gorgeous flower. Very natural looking, what do you call them? Now this is a fun one. If you turn her around, you have a nice rose, and if you look at the front, it's a little doll. How fun is this to play for your kids to play with? So cute. Here is a rose necklace or garland or banner or whatever. I love the addition of the little rose buds with the fully bloomed rose. Very, very cute. And the same idea in a different color, if pink is not your color. And here's another shot of the cute crochet rose doll. Oh, and here's another color you can crochet this necklace in. Very nice. Purple. And here's another rose on a stem. This one is not as elaborate as the first realistic rose that we saw, but I do like the addition of the little leaves in there. And you can make a whole bunch, make a whole bouquet for yourself or for someone that you feel that deserves all that labor that you put in there. Now I could not leave this one out, first of all because it's a gorgeous pattern. It's has quite an impact. I love the black and white contrast, and the idea of putting a different color border on it is quite ingenious. This is a completely different kind of rose. I like it. It looks very fluffy. Of course, that depends on the yarn that you're using, and it looks like you can just crochet it and roll it up. I like that. I love simple with great effect. And here's a crochet rug or Afghan if you're thus inclined, if you want to make it a little bigger. How cute is this idea? Different kind of colors, easy to make. Of course you have to make a whole lot of them, so it is time consuming, but the effect is quite stunning. Another pattern for realistic roses. I love the little bumps, the little points on the leaves. Very, very nice. I love the white color roses. They're gorgeous. Some more you can when they're not completely open, and when they're open, beautiful. And here you can see using a border on the rose in a different color, combined with some other materials, you can create quite a stunning bouquet. Another shot. How gorgeous are these? I love them. And you can get them in like a 3-pack with the big rose, the small rose, and the little rose bud. Cute. Beautiful. Stunning. Gorgeous.
a completely different kind. It has a little flesh look to it, doesn't it? But I like the idea, and they are quite suitable as boutonnieres. I don't know how to pronounce that, but the things you pin on your lapel. You can also use them to you can also use them for decorating gifts and anything you want, really. Another one. Is this an egg warmer? I'm not exactly sure, but I like the simplicity of the pattern with the different colors in there. And of course, a rose tea cozy. Very nice. And this is the final pattern that I'm going to discuss with you. It's a gorgeous little doll. Again, if you turn it this way, you can see the face, and if you turn it the other way, it's her beautiful rose. How cute is this, and how fun. Another shot, and another close-up. I love the little pearls in her, yeah, it's almost like a rose hat she's wearing. And just take a look at these gorgeous leaves. You can use them for you can use them to fill up a bouquet of roses or other flowers that you're crocheting. It's just very, very nice. As per usual, you can find the links to the patterns in the description below. Happy crocheting!